Hello everyone. Welcome to Let's Speak Japanese. Today, we're going to learn one of the most basic skills, introducing yourself. We'll practice together how to say someone's name, how to ask and answer their age, and how to talk about your hobbies and work. Let's start by introducing yourself. In Japan, introducing yourself is very important. Start with the simple phrase, my name is, your name. My name is Alice.
私の名前はアリスです。私の名前はアリスです。
Let's say your name. Next, let's look at how to answer when asked about your age. When someone asks you, how old are you, you can answer like this. I am 20 years old.
私は20歳です。
In this case, numbers can be in English. For example, I am 20. Finally, here are some ways to talk about your hobbies and work. A simple example is, my hobby is reading. As for work, you can introduce yourself by saying, I'm a teacher. It's also a good idea to introduce your favorite things. I love dogs.
私は犬が好きです。私は犬が好きです。
Today, we have learned the basics of self-introductions. Try using these phrases to speak in Japanese. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to post them in the comments section. See you next time.
さようならまたね。